Good morning, students. As I told you that in next video we will be learning about comparison of numbers, and in our previous video we have learned about the predecessors and successors of the given numbers. So comparison of numbers. Comparison means in this video we are going to learn about how to compare the two numbers. Which one is the greater one, which one is the smaller one. So in your previous classes you have learned about three symbols. 1, 2 and 3. These are the three symbols. So this symbol says greater than, okay, this symbol says smaller than, and the third symbol says is equal to, So for learning how to compare the three numbers, you need to be aware of these three symbols. This is greater than, smaller than and equal to. Now let's have an example. The first number is 5, another number is 7. You need to compare these numbers. Which one is greater? So it's very easy. You will say, ma'am, 7 is greater. But how to do in the exercise? What is the proper way to compare the number? We always compare the first number to the another one. We will not compare the second number to the first number. We will compare the first number. The number which is on left side is to be compared with the number of right side. Okay. So 5 is smaller than 7. So which symbol we will be using over here? Second symbol. Smaller than. 5 is smaller than 7. Example number 2. This is 12. This is 10. Now, as you can see, there are two digits in this equation. There are two numbers in this equation, and all the numbers, they are having two digits, right? This is also having two digits. This is also having two digits. Now, how to compare? When we find two digits, we always compare the left digit first. So we'll compare the tens. This is ones, this is tens. This is ones, this is tens. So we'll compare the tens. As you can see, tens is equal. If tens is equal, we will move to the next digit. So 2 and 0. Now you can see out of 2 and 0, 2 is greater. So automatically 12 is greater than 10. Okay. 12 is greater than 10. Let's have one more example with 3 digits. In the left hand side, the number is 412, and the right hand side, the number is 212. So how to compare it? Again, we will compare the leftmost digit of a number, right? So what is the leftmost digit of 412? 4. And what is the leftmost digit of the 212? 2. Now compare 4 and 2. Obviously 4 is greater than 2. So automatically 412 is greater than 212. Okay. 412 is greater than 212. Let's have one more example. Now I am going to show you the example of 4 digits. Suppose on left hand side we have 5252, and we need to compare this left hand side number with right hand side number, which is 2855. Okay. Again we will compare the leftmost digits of both numbers. Now you can see the 5 and 2. Compare 5 and 2. 5 is greater than 2. So obviously 5252 is greater than 2855. Okay. Let's practice one more example. 2854. Compare it with 3852. Now as you know that for comparing the two numbers, we need to compare the leftmost digits of both numbers. दोनों numbers के सबसे left वाले digits को हम compare करते हैं. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जो नंबर है उसका लेफ्ट मोस्ट डिजिट 2 है और राइट हैंड साइड में जो नंबर है उसका लेफ्ट मोस्ट डिजिट 3 है। अब 2 और 3 को कंपेयर करो। 2 और 3 को कंपेयर करने से पता चलता है कि 2 जो है वो 3 से छोटा है। 2 इज़ स्मॉलर देन 3, सो ऑटोमेटिकली the left hand side number is smaller than right hand side number. So 2854 is smaller than 3852. Okay, one more example. Suppose 1252 is written on left hand side and you have to compare it with 1252 on the right side. Okay, so as you can see both the numbers are equal, so 1252 is equal to 1252. I hope this is clear to you. So we have learnt about three symbols: greater than, smaller than, equal to. Okay, so when we need to compare a 4-digit number or the 3-digit numbers, so what we do, we compare the leftmost digit of two numbers. Children, one thing you need to remember, if the leftmost digit of two numbers is same, right, so you need to compare the another digit of both numbers. I'll give you one example for this. See, one equation is here, 1252. You have to compare 1252 with 1324. As I told you that you need to compare the leftmost digit of two numbers. Now you can see the leftmost digits are same. What will you do now? You will compare the another digit which is 2 and 3. Now compare 2 and 3. So 2 is smaller than 3, right? So automatically 1252 is smaller than 1324. One more example is there. 1253 is to be compared with 1264. Now you have to compare the leftmost digit first. आपको सबसे पहले दोनों नंबर्स के जो लेफ्ट मोस्ट डिजिट्स हैं उनको कंपेयर करना है. अब आपको दिख रहा है दोनों सेम हैं, तो आप नेक्स्ट डिजिट यानी 2 को कंपेयर करेंगे 2 के साथ. तो दोनों नंबर्स में नेक्स्ट डिजिट भी इक्वल है, तो अब आप नेक्स्ट उससे भी नेक्स्ट वाला डिजिट यानी ये थर्ड डिजिट को कंपेयर करेंगे दूसरे नंबर के थर्ड डिजिट के साथ. तो आप देखिए जो थर्ड डिजिट है वो 5 है और राइट हैंड साइड के नंबर में जो थर्ड डिजिट है वो 6 है, राइट. सो 5 जो है वो 6 से छोटा है, यानी 5 इज स्मॉलर देन 6. सो ऑटोमेटिकली व्हाट वी गेट दैट 1253 इज स्मॉलर देन 1264. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to find it out. If leftmost digits are equal, you need to move on to next digit और आपको उन नेक्स्ट डिजिट्स को फिर कंपेयर करना है. अगर अगले डिजिट्स भी इक्वल आते हैं तो आपको उससे नेक्स्ट वाले डिजिट को कंपेयर करना है. ओके, सभी प्लेसेस को कंपेयर करना है. दिस इज द एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2. You need to do it by yourself. Examples are also been given. You need to write down the date and day here. Now use correct sign. This is greater than, smaller than and equal to. 3-digit number is to be compared with 4-digit number in first example. Okay, now what will you do? It is understood that 3 digits are smaller than 4 digits, right? So automatically 735 is smaller than 1488, right? So अगर digits में ही difference है कि एक नंबर में 3 डिजिट्स हैं और दूसरे नंबर में 4 डिजिट्स हैं, तो ऑटोमेटिकली जिसमें ज़्यादा डिजिट्स होते हैं वो नंबर ग्रेटर नंबर होता है. ओके, क्लियर? सो दिस यू नीड टू डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ.